Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to create the side over here. So new component, side 3. Okay. We want to put that in that side there. Okay, and so what we can do now is we can project, click on bodies there, and that body there. We can finish the sketch, and you can see that body's come in, and then all we need to do is to extrude it, select the whole thing, make sure everything goes blue. You can see here I'm having to select those pieces, and I want that to go -3, goes in there, do OK, and then obviously we then need to cut this again. So we're going to do combine, we're going to keep the tool, it says target body, which is that one. Oh, sorry. Let's have a look. Oh, that's gone a bit wrong. Ah, see, look, we want cut. So let's start again. See how that one went a bit pear-shaped. So the target body is it's fine. It's good to see these mistakes because that's the target body. That's the tool. Okay. We can see if we move that we've now done that. So we can project that body over onto this sketch plane once we've created it, and then use that to create another piece.